how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. This tutorial shows you how to set up a new Gmail account without requiring phone verification. First, launch your web browser or Chrome app on your Android device. Next, navigate to the Gmail website by typing gmail.com in the address bar. Following that, locate and tap on the Create Account button on the sign-in page. Following that, locate and tap on the Create Account button on the sign-in page. Now, select For Myself or For My Business depending on your needs. Moving forward, enter your first name and last name in the provided fields. Date of birth and select your gender. Alternatively, you can also choose not to specify your gender if preferred. Once you've completed these fields, tap on Next to continue. Then scroll through Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Afterwards, tap on I agree to accept the terms and create your account. Then your new Gmail account will be created successfully without phone verification. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you create a Gmail account without a phone number, give it a like, subscribe for more Gmail tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.